Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in achieving this look, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, so I've already done my white base, the NYX base. We've already applied that, so now we're just going in with this yellow color and we're just going to blend out. Okay, so now as you guys can see, we are now going in with like this rusty orange color and we're just blending that in. We're going to keep on blending until it looks as good as we want it to look. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, so I decided to go in with like this little plum color just to darken it up and give us a nice fall look. Just so you guys know, I never know where I'm going with my looks until I start doing them. So most of this is just freestyling and we just see where it goes. But yeah, just go into your crease with that plum look and blend it out. You guys will see me dip a couple times because I am building up that color. Alright, so you guys know, just to save space on my phone, because you guys know I don't have a lot of space, we actually do the cut crease off camera. If you guys are interested in seeing that, then feel free to go to my other videos in order to find that. I usually do it in most of them, but I do it off camera. Right now you guys are seeing me blend out. It is so important that once you get done with your cut crease that you blend out those corners, just so you'll have a nice transition. Alright, so now we're going in with like a burgundy color, the same burgundy that we used to go into the crease with. We're now going to put that on the lid. This burgundy, I believe, is from the Cara Beauty palette ES15. I use so many different palettes for this look, so I apologize if I don't have all of the details, honey bun. But you can definitely get a burgundy that is similar to that and get the same exact look. Okay, so now we are using the Colourpop honey, I think that's what it's called, the honey palette or whatever. And I had to turn down the lighting just so you guys could see how pigmented and pretty these shadows are. Oh my gosh, they are amazing. I would totally recommend Colourpop if you're looking for something that is not expensive and that will give you those bright ass colors. Definitely pick up Colourpop. Do you guys see how gorgeous this is coming out? Okay, so the first Colourpop shadow that I use, the first one is that yellowish color. That is the Queen Bee shade, or shade Queen Bee, whatever you want to say. Here I am now going over that with the Dandy color, so it's a nice transition. It kind of goes from that dark to the light. The last color that I'm going to put in the next slide is going to be Sunburst. Oh my gosh, that is my favorite Colourpop pigment ever. Sunburst is amazing. If I could get that to actually show up on camera, woo, it'd be great. So I think what I'm going to do is another look with Sunburst only, so you guys can get the full feel for it. But these colors are amazing. Just look at that blend, baby. Like, it blends so effortlessly. Like, oh my gosh. So this is the Sunburst color. I tried to zoom in as much as I could to get you guys a full look at it, but it does not take well to the camera, so you guys can't really see it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on lashes and we're gonna come back and get this rocking. Alright guys, so we're going in with the 𝒂𝒄 Cosmetics moisturizer. We're going to go ahead and moisturize our skin. I don't know about you guys, but I have extremely oily skin, and moisturizing helps my makeup stay still all day. So you just want to rub that in. You guys will see me looking up because I need to get it all under my eyes, under the cracks and the crevices, honey. All right, so now I am going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and we're just putting that under my eyes. I normally use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade orange, but I wanted to just conceal under my eyes with my skin tone just to see how I would like it, and it turns out I actually like it. I like the outcome. Alright, so now we're going in with the LA Girl foundation. This is in the shade Nutmeg. You guys know this is the only foundation that I use. I just apply that all over the face, and we are just blending out, making sure that we blend down in our neck area too, honey bun. Alright, so I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal again. We are starting out with a darker concealer, and then we're going to go in with a lighter one. I'm not sure why this works, but it just doesn't make your concealer or your highlight look as bright if you do it this way. I really like the results, so we're going to continue to do it. Alright peeps, I'm going to speed it up here because I know you guys are tired and this routine has been the same throughout. So this is a magic stick from my local beauty supply, and we are just going to contour with that, honey. It's called a magic stick. We almost done, my loves, I promise. So now we're going in with our Makeup Revolution translucent powder as well as banana. You guys know that I mix them together, and then we put that all over the places where we highlighted. All right, so now that has set, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off with a big kabuki brush. I normally let it set while I do my lipstick. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some color back into my face by putting on some blush. All right. Here's the last step. We are going to set this in spray. We're going to set this by adding the Urban Decay Up All Nighter spray. All right, that is it. This is the finished look. If you guys are interested in more videos, please like and subscribe so I know that you're there and watching, and I can continue to produce content. Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye.